Alright guys, what we're looking at now is just a U.S. military GI equipment bag, or tanker's bag I've heard it called. It's a frameless pack, uh, really thick padded straps. Uh, Although the reviews and the information I've found on this bag says it's not good for long distance hikes or heavy loads. I think this is more for vehicle travel, but this is a massive bag, and I can't stress enough how much stuff you can actually fit in this bag. On the outside here, it has these little pockets on each side where you could put some easy access, quick to grab items if you wanted to reach behind you to grab. Also, uh, rifle stock or axe head or anything. If you had a shotgun or a rifle strapped to the outside of this pack, put your stock down in there and your barrel facing up and strapped to the outside. This pack is huge. Two pockets here on the outside, which at the moment are empty, but you can see there, for example, and these two pockets are identical. You can cram these pretty full. Here on the bottom, you have the zippered pouch for the MMS sleep system, which we do have, but we don't keep stored in here. Anybody that's got the military sleep system, it's not good to store those compressed. Kind of breaks them down in the long run, so you want to keep those unfolded. So here in the bottom of this pack is a couple military wool blankets. There's an Italian, first one was a US, so 2 US wool blankets and an Italian. There's your sleep system pocket, as you can see, is huge.
Big enough for a cat.
Here in the top, at the moment, have a couple of CamelBaks. This one's actually still new. Got a good deal on, picked up at a flea market. That's ACU. It is CamelBak brand, bladder included. Couldn't pass that up. Here's my old CamelBak that I use most often for fishing, especially catfishing at night, travel light. To the outside of it, I just have probably a Condor or a Voodoo cheapo Molly pouch from the surplus store where I keep my fishing tackle and stuff. Have a couple bandanas here. They usually strap a poncho to the outside for a tarp shelter or a ground cloth. Military issue Molly pouch, pop flare, pocket style pouch. Fits perfectly, almost like it was made for it. Holds the Baco Laplander just perfect. Pouch beside that, I'm not even sure has a tag, but inside there have a military collapsible canteen, another water bladder, 5-quart. Fill that up. It's got these strings, cordage on all 4 corners. You can hang it upside down, right side up, however you want. If you want to hang it from the tree or the outside of the pack, there's a little pocket for water purification tabs if you need, or matches or anything like that. This bladder here was given to me by a buddy of mine that actually served, and this was one of the things he brought back with him, and I've got plenty of use out of it. There's a US 1976 whistle on the outside of it for signaling. Here we have the US Mountain Cook Set. The lid is a frying pan. And inside, pretty deep pan. The lid can be used for either one or a frying pan. One nests inside the other. Once you put the lid on and close those handles, and it's supposed to be locked in place. Have just a Wooby poncho liner. And that's it for that bag. We'll look at the tag in here. If you guys want to get the NS in, just says bag equipment. Karen Ann Manufacturing Incorporated. And there's the NSN number. Like I say, this is a massive pack, and you can really cram it full. I say it's not comfortable on long hikes if it's fully loaded, but for a trunk bag or a truck bag, you can fit pretty much your whole apartment in this thing.